Want to make money from share market, but question is where to start.
Trading or investing? While trading focuses on short-term moves, investing grows your wealth steadily, just like a lush green tree.
Trader needs to keep an eye regular on screen. The trading myth.
Trading, it offers quick profits and fast opportunities. You can generate active in easier. Tap buy and execute your trade and watch the rewards roll right in.
But the truth is,
the market is moving too fast. I can't keep up with these falling charts. The pressure is becoming too much. It's just too volatile. Make it stop. I can't even sleep anymore. Yes! Look at those green bars go! We are going to the moon! This is the best day ever! Oh no! It is crashing! What do I do? Buy or sell right now? I am losing everything!
Market volatility represents the rapid and erratic price swings in the stock market. It's an emotional roller coaster driven by constant market fluctuations.
A smart investor analyzes the business fundamentals. Look for growing companies, consistent profits, and strong assets. Then, you can invest with absolute confidence.
Investing requires time. Every small coin counts. Watch your patience grow. Wealth builds steadily.
plant today, wait patiently, wealth grow with time. Small regular investment gives you good returns.
Wow! Look at my money grow!
Trading can be incredibly stressful, but long-term investing helps you relax.
Active trading requires constant attention and skill. Long-term investing is a strategy for building wealth.
Start your journey to financial freedom. Create passive income and enjoy the life of your dreams.
Which one suits you? Trading or investing? Let's find out right now. Let's find out right now.